Hey guys, happy Wednesday. I hope you guys are having a good morning. We are back in class for perform clerical procedures. Woohoo! We have talked about hardware and software. We have talked about the different things that you will find in an office and what they are and why they are being used. And now we are going to talk about different types of office documents. Yes. All right. So you can see here from my little picture. This is actually from the textbook, but you guys don't have the textbook. But trust me, it's in there. They show all these different types of documents. Business letter, minutes, which actually we're going to use the word notes. Minutes are notes. Agenda, report, memos or emails, invoice, receipt, and message. So your first question might be, Teacher Josh, what is a document? Well, that is a good question. A document is a piece of paper or an electric file that has information on it. So documents can be lots and lots of things. A text message can be a document, an email can be a document, right? A piece of paper can be a document. All right, let me see. So here's my notebook. All right, if I wrote stuff on this, that could be a document. So documents are many, many things. And these are all the different types of documents. So let's take a look at what each one of these documents actually is. All right. So this is your homework, and I'll explain it again at the end of the lesson. But your homework is to make sure that you understand all these vocab words, okay? So make sure you write them down in your notes. And if you don't understand something, make sure you look up the translation, okay? This is your homework, is to write down the notes. So, an email. An email is an electronic letter that gets sent from one person to another. Right? I think we've all sent an email in this class, I'm pretty sure. Right? You're just writing a letter on your computer, and then you send it. I send it to Teacher Sam, or Teacher Cheryl, or Teacher Natalia, and then they read that letter. Right? But it's all on the computer. I'm not writing anything down. A receipt. A receipt is a piece of paper that tells you that you bought something. So if I go to a restaurant and order food, at the end they give me a receipt, and it says Teacher Josh ordered the spaghetti, the pizza, the beef look-lock, the fish amok. It tells me that I bought these things and how much it cost, right? But it's an actual piece of paper, a small piece of paper. Or I go to the store and I buy new headphones, and I have a receipt that tells me what type of headphones I bought and for how much. Next, we talk about message. So here, when we talk about message, we're talking about text message, or you guys might use the word SMS or Facebook message, right? It's very informal. Right? Hey, how's it going? How are you doing? Maybe you gossip or right? Our Facebook messages for grade 10, I show you the videos and I tell you to make sure you do your homework, and you guys ask me questions, right? It's very informal. Invoice. An invoice is a piece of paper that tells the customers how much they have to pay. So this is different from a receipt, because a receipt you get after you've paid. But an invoice I get before I pay. So an example would be I stay at a hotel. All right, I stay at a hotel, and at the end of my stay, I get a piece of paper that tells me all the things I did. Right? I ate at this restaurant, I went to this spa, I bought this and I bought that. And they give me the invoice, and I look it over to make sure it's correct. And then I say, yes, this is correct, and I pay. And then they give me a receipt. So it's invoice and then receipt. All right, the video is ending. Go to the next video. Bye.